Flamingos are monogamous by nature, and only lay around one egg per year. 2. It takes flamingos about 3 years to get their pink and red feathers. 3. Flamingos are very social. They live in colonies of thousands of birds. 4. Flamingos can sleep standing on one leg. 5. They can fly 10,000 to 15,000 feet. 6. A flamingo's top speed can be as high as 35 miles per hour. Long necks and dangling legs, making them seem wobbly. 7. Flamingo chicks are born gray or white with fluffier plumage to keep them warm. It can take up to 3 years to achieve mature pink, orange, or red plumage.